Sure we're safe. Yep, almost hit the back end of that, or almost hit that motorcycle rider. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. A little too far. Just a little too far. RX Wild Ninja. Hey, Volkswagen Golf.
Reaching the public road as a racetrack, quickly ended his ride by crashing the car. As it turned out later, Pleasant even is ahead of him.
Uh-oh. Hey, look at that uncommon thing in a common situation. We got somebody going in our lane, but you have a side of the vehicle into another vehicle. Whew. So what are we gonna do? This looks like a high mechanism of injury incident where you have a lot of damage to that vehicle. Lots of damage, high mechanism of injury. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna rescue another rider or driver? I would hope so. So right now we gotta remain calm and ensure our own safety. Call 911 and direct traffic and make sure we're safe. Yep, almost hit the back end of that, or almost hit that motorcycle rider. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. A little too far. Just a little too far. Oh, man. Hey, it's already totaled. Now you just gotta pay a little extra to get it out. It's already totaled. Don't worry about it. A little bit of an oopsie. So this is dangerous. Now, take a look at the road. Look at that nasty stuff. The oil, the fluids. Do you think he's washing that off? Now look at this turn. How fun is that turn? Are you paying attention to the road surface hazards? Because stuff like this happens all the time, and nobody cleans up the oil. It's a slip zone, exactly. I heard him say no loss of conscious. Let's go back. I heard him say no loss of conscious.
Any loss of consciousness? No loss of consciousness.
Yeah, new slip zone, lots of debris, lots of oil in that spot. Oh. Little jump cuts. So there's a lot of damage to this Ford. That driver is probably injured. Let's take a quick look. So they are going to be transporting that patient. There's kids involved. That's not good. Let's take a quick look at what happened specifically. So let's take a look at this. This is a very, 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 very high mechanism of injury. That person up front could easily be having a traumatic brain injury. You see the breaking of the windshield. Sometimes your head actually hits that, and it's called spidering of the windshield. So if you see outward forces and it's spidering out, it's either their head that hit it, or it's the airbag hitting the top of it, hitting the dash. Easily a traumatic brain injury. But you see how it broke the axle here? This person in the Volkswagen Golf was hauling ass. In order to do something like this, you have to be going fast. Now, if we go back, so we're hauling ass around this corner. So think about that. It's a nice decreasing radius, really good U-turn type corner. And now we're going a little too wide, going a little too wide, going a little too wide. Boom, impact. And we see that with motorcycle riders. They're hauling ass, hauling ass, hauling ass, hauling ass. And then they can't navigate, and then they go off like that. It's exactly what happened to this Volkswagen Golf. Now think about that. You're out riding with a bunch of your friends, riding with a Mazda Miata, and then you got your nice little adventure bike here, and you got dum-dums doing that stuff on weekends, even during the day. But this type of stuff is what gets people killed. And this person was having, a great day with his buddies. Now he went wide, he wasn't paying attention, or he lost control, didn't have good fundamental driving skills, and hit a family vehicle. T-boned a family vehicle. The driver is extremely, look at, is probably hurt. Look at, he said, is everything okay? And then look at his, no, not everyone's okay. Now look at the scene right here. Nobody, there's no EMS, no police, nobody. It's going to take them 10, 15, 20 minutes to even get there. Hopefully somebody call 911. This is where your medical training can kick in and you can actually rescue somebody. Now it says after a moto crash, I get it. But it's for anybody. We need to be really good citizens of your community. We need to be paying attention and helping others. We have to be helping others. Show of hands in the comments if you have crashed your motorcycle or ever had to deal with motorcycle insurance. go ahead and write it down. For those of you that don't even have motorcycle insurance, or you're looking to possibly get a better deal, Progressive is sponsoring this video and wanted me to talk to you about how easy it is to get a quote. So I decided to go ahead and get one myself, and it took me less than 3 minutes to do the whole process, absolutely free. Got an email with the quote, and now I'm working through the process there. Go ahead and do it. Links in the description. Very quick, very easy. I'll see you in the video. We need to remain calm, so we're going to call 911. There's plenty of people around here. You can go ahead and direct and find out if anybody has called 911. You need to ensure your own safety. That's a big thing. So we're going to have people around the corner slowing down traffic, around this corner slowing down traffic, and then we're going to start wearing our gloves. Inside of the rescue kits that we have, we got our trauma shears. Now, our gloves are right on the top. So we give you a medium and an XL. I don't know what size hands you got, but you can always put more in. I do. I put a bunch of medium-sized gloves because I got small hands. And this whole thing right here, we got it right here. It's inside your kit. We got plenty of stuff to be able to help out at least 2 people in here. We got 2 tourniquets, a bunch of 4x4s, a bunch of 5x9s, which are the abdominal pads, Mercy blanket, at least 2 gloves, trauma shears. We have roll gauze. We have a miniature Sharpie so you can write the time on the tourniquets. We have a CPR mask, a whistle, 2 triangular bandages. Lots of stuff jam-packed inside this thing. So in order to save somebody, you need to have that medical training. Make sure you subscribe to Motorcycle Training Concepts. We're going to have more videos on that. We're going to have rescue training on that channel. This is a heavy, heavy, heavy mechanism of injury. This is not good at all for that driver that got T-boned. That's a lot of compartment intrusion. You've got to remain calm, buddy. So we're going to ensure our own safety at this point. We're going to go ahead and pull off onto this side road.
Oh, whoa.
And there's nobody in the vehicle. So whenever there's an accident like that, pull the emergency brake or put wheel chocks. So I would have put that piece of debris behind the tires, because that kind of stuff happens. And that's actually injured and killed a few firefighters and police officers, where it rolled into them and pinned them between a vehicle and they died from the trauma. So, you know, poor kid having to deal with that. Now we got a lot of debris on the ground in the middle of this turn, across all lanes. You got oil, fluids. Thankfully, police and fire are on scene. I want to see inside that vehicle.
Any loss of consciousness?
Loss of consciousness. That's probably the captain. But we could have been saving somebody. So right now, they're going to be going in from that side. He's going to be getting the gurney to them. They got a backboard situated. Of course, they got the rookie to hold it for everybody. And then they're going to see collar in his hand, and they're going to be getting that person out and then taking him to the hospital. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.